In this video, I'm going to review the next step in setting up your new irrigationcheckups.com account. And so using the navigation bar at the top, we're going to click support and then go to the My Account page. And in this video, we're going to look at the Custom Picklist option. So we're going to click that tab at the top of My Account. And here you will see we have several different custom pick list groups. We have checkup status, service reason, quote status, landscape type, and head type. And so you get to customize what values are displayed during the process of creating checkups and quotes. And so first let's review checkup status. And so by default, your account should have three values here: new, incomplete, and completed. Um, Whenever you create a new checkup, uh, there is a status field and it will always initially be new. You can add additional values here, however you see fit, that will help you manage your business. So maybe these three are sufficient. We have other users that will put information here about, um, whether the checkup has been completed and a quote has been given to the customer, or the quote was denied, or repairs still need to be completed. You can add as many status values as you like. Just one warning here, you are allowed to delete these pick list values, but ensure you have at least one value for each pick list group, or else you're going to run into some issues using the app. But if we click the edit pencil, you can rename. If you wanted to say new checkup instead of just new, you can do that. And then if you will be using the language switching option, um, you have an option to enter in the Spanish language equivalent. And then there's also this checkbox for completed. And so let me show you a little more easily back out here. So if the pick list value has a completed status, what that will do is automatically uh, have that checkup be on the completed checkup page. If it has a status that does not have that check, so if it's at new or incomplete, you would find a started checkup on the incomplete checkup page. So you'll have a list of all the checkups that have not moved to the completed status. So you may have several completed statuses that actually have different labels depending on where they are in your business process. But if you wanted to add a new one, you just click Add New. You'll see that the new picklist value is added, and then any of these values you can drag uh, the order, so you can put it anywhere you want, and that is how it will be displayed to users when they open up either a new checkup or a quote. You can also delete values, as I mentioned. And so that is the checkup status that you may use. If you want to also, when a new checkup is created, uh, start tagging that visit for a specific service reason. Um, we provide kind of four default values here. You may want to use this option, or you don't have to. Um, but further down the line, as you get more records in the system, you may want to do some analytics in your reports based on the service reason. Uh, so that's available. And then we have quote status, very similar to checkup status. Again, we provide five kind of default that probably most people will find sufficient, but we have new, pending. Those would be kind of an incomplete or open quote status. And then we have approved, declined, or expired. So those would be completed quotes or closed quotes. And so you would find any quote that has been set to these status values on that page. And then the last two are for the zone information fields. So the landscape type. Uh, so this is just information for your users when you're out in the field and you have a lot of different zones. Again, ability to do some analytics later on of what type of zone is it. You know, full sun turf or low demand beds, trees. Uh, so you can adjust this or add fields as needed. And then same for the head type, what type of irrigation component is being used in this zone. So, if you would prefer not to use the term rotary spray, you can edit this, and maybe this is MP rotator, and so you would just save that, and that would be updated. So just one final note, if you change these after you have already started adding checkups and quotes to the system, so any existing checkup or quote values, if you rename a value, it will get renamed in the app. If you have already created a PDF of either the checkup or quote, obviously the PDF cannot be changed. And so if you wanted the PDF to be reflective of your new renamed status, then you would just have to regenerate the PDF. So, um, and if you delete a value that has already been used, that will not affect existing checkups or quotes, only going forward, that value would not be available to be selected. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach